Okay guys, now we're looking at this Nasdaq's trying to make this breakout here. See buyers trying to push, but still no commitment here. We'll see if the ES can break this high. Still waiting patiently. Nothing yet. We'll see 500 contracts long here. It's a lot of contracts. Okay guys, so we went long here. We see two imbalances in the ES and the micro ES. Hopefully the market will get the target. So we see buyers trying to push the price up a little bit. See 1200 contracts on both, on the micro ES and the ES. Okay, there you go. First target hit. We see 8 prints in the same second, and we see large buyers in the tape. That was a quick trade. That was lots of buyers. We go, more buyers in the tape. This trade, guys, was confirmed by the visual imbalance. Okay, so that's how I entered this trade right now. I know the Nasdaq is trying to go higher. You see the visual imbalance here pushing. When you see this hit in all the three instruments, guys, is you know, you can take action. Of course, with the correct logic. It's gonna pop any second, guys. Goes the Nasdaq. Almost there, guys. Okay, batch of buyers in the Nasdaq. There you go. Was a winner. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's the link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. You see the boxes here, guys. Just wanted to mention this. Let's see. Look at this one. Very close. We don't want to go short. Okay, once you see the boxes forming, you can go long before they form. Okay, so you see this one here too was a good long. Okay, this one was good short, but okay, you need to have a context on what you're trading, guys.